I ask, who here has wondered where their thoughts come from? Where do your thoughts originate? Has anyone ever asked themselves this question? The truth is, this repetitive thought pattern is, in modern terms, an algorithm. It's an algorithm full of info that generates decisions and actions. These thoughts were planted by various sources. What sources? Family, education, religion, culture, society, TV, music, etc. Experts like teachers and doctors input this info we keep repeating. These repetitive thoughts lead to our decisions and actions. If thoughts stem from our inner info, the solution is changing that info.